Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys the tutorial on how to download your app to sync it with the Breeze 4K by Yuneec. So let's go ahead and then get started. If you have your smartphone, this is an Android phone, or if you have Apple iPhones or iOS devices, you can go to your App Store. So first of all, you need to go into your Play Store for the Android and then go download Breeze, Breeze. So go download the Breeze Cam and then click on install and accept. So just let it download and install. So I'm not sure my internet is slow because I'm uploading a video or anything like that. Let me check. So I'm just going to let it download and come back. I'm not sure what's going on. So somehow it's starting. I'm not sure what is a glitch. But anyway, just let it download. But be sure your drone is fully charged and you have you charge your controller as well. This is a Bluetooth controller. Some other people say that they could play game with this controller, so I'm not sure if that's possible or not. So after that, you click on open. And there you go. There is your Breeze. And you got to make sure you agree to all the terms and conditions, okay? If you disagree, then they're not going to allow you to use it. So click on agree. So it says to get started, connect your device to Breeze via Wi-Fi. Review the apps in tutorial before using task mode. For more tutorials, go to Yuneec.com. First time drone flying should start with the Selfie task mode, the easiest to use. And then always have your Breeze update with the latest firmware. Complete user registration in app to get more personalized customer care and product updates. So you click on next. And this is your home screen. Okay. There's a text mode, and this is where all your gallery is at. Since I haven't taken anything in, it is empty. But first of all, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. So you need to turn on your drone first. So to turn on your drone, you just need to press this power button right here. Press and hold. Okay, and then now it's blinking. And you want to go to your setting on your smartphone. Okay, go to your setting. And turn on your Wi-Fi. And there you go, Breeze. Make sure you look for Breeze. And then you tap on it. And then the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then you're going to press connect. So it says connected, and your drone has making a beeping noise. You go doot doot. And you see like a green instead of red light. So now your drone is syncing already, okay, with your app. And then you want to go back. And it also shows how many percent of the battery on the drone. I don't want to accidentally fly by accident. I'm just going to hold it and see. Task. So there's a pilot mode, selfie mode. Okay, the pilot mode is allow you to fly breeze using a traditional RC controls. You can choose either mode 1 or mode 2 in drone setting, okay? And then the selfie mode allows you to take a selfie with the no prior flight knowledge needed. Use the distance, height, and position slider to adjust the position of breeze to take your selfie. And there is a orbit mode. Breeze will automatically orbit around you and another object or point of interest. Select the direction, distance, and height with the slider, and breeze does the rest. And there is a journey mode. In journey mode, breeze uses the camera pitch angle to set trajectory of the aircraft to fly up and away from you, then back to the starting point. And there's another one, is a follow me mode, which is allow you to fly manually to the position you want breeze to follow you from. Select yourself on the screen. Breeze will hover and watch you. And there's a controller mode. Okay. In controller mode, user can experience pilot view through VR glasses and use Bluetooth compared to control drone. And there's a disabling GPS. Breeze uses GPS and indoor position system for accurate positioning. When you fly Breeze indoor or in an outdoor area with the poor GPS reception, like in between two tall buildings, please disable GPS and use pilot mode with the indoor position system for better result. Notice a reduced GPS signal can result in drift and potential crash. Okay. Before GPS is ready, only pilot mode and control mode can be used. So let me see. So you go to selfie mode, slide to proceed. It says, please keep a minimum distance of 4 meters or 13 feet between breeze, people, and surroundings. Ooh. So it tells you place in a safe position, away from the trees. Take off and setting center. Setting selfie position. Control camera pitch, so it allows you to tilt 90 degrees. File confirming, returning to setting. Recording videos. So that's the button to record videos and taking pictures. You could also adjust the camera setting, auto white black balance, exposure, white balance, returning home, which is this button right there, and then landing, that's the arrow going down, emergency shutdown, okay. So this is the live view from the camera on the drone. It has image stabilization. Okay. So take off. You press that button. Whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. So since I am too close to the drone, because you're supposed to put it away about 13 feet, and so it senses that it's too close to you or something, so it temporarily shut down. Wow, so the batteries went down to 72% already. That's kind of, it eats a lot of battery. So let's see, it is on video mode right now. Let's see if I change to the camera mode. So right now it's the camera mode, okay? Let me see if I try to adjust it. Oh, so this one is to tell your angle for the camera. Right there. So when I just going down, this is cool. It's facing downward. What was it doing? So it shows that you are right there, and then the drone is right there. So So every time it adjusts itself back, or what? Why is it moving by itself? I don't get it. See, look at when I put it down. I'm not sure it's lagging or what's going on. Yeah, it seems like it's lagging because when I tilt the camera up already and it's not facing upward right now. So there is a glitch, definitely. So anyway, this is how you sync your smartphone with the Breeze 4K app. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell for notification. And also drop any comments on below. Right now we are giving a 10,000 K subscriber giveaway right now. Please enter your entry and good luck to you guys. Please subscribe, drop any comments on below. Yeah, and thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.